Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got this electronic brother. This happens to be an SX4000, but it's pretty much the same as a 6750, ML100, ML500. These have multiple problems with plastic breaking, and that's what we're going to look at today. So I already fixed the motor inside this carrier today, but as I was about to put it together, I noticed the index motor here, right here, this little piece that holds this motor in place right there is chipped off. So this wants to come out, especially when it's under spring tension. I took the spring off it already, so it's flopping here. But I got to looking about how to fix that, and I think I'm gonna melt a piece of metal in here while this is in place. I was gonna take the motor out, but I'm gonna do it. I decided now to do it while the motor's in place, and we're going to see if we can make this work better. So there's our little piece right there, and it's got just that little, there's a little tiny nipple type piece that fits there, and it goes around that. This has a little cutout right there. It's pretty small, but we're going to put that in place, and I've already cut it small piece from a small nail or a small brad. It's this little piece right here, so it's got a little bit of a head on it right there, and I'm going to melt this in to there just like that while it's in place, and hope I get this right. This is going to be a little tricky to do, but I'm going to try to do it right here on camera. I'm not sure how I'm going to. That's a pretty small piece, so I'm just going to use this torch lighter, and let me think. I need something to push it. I need something to push it in, so I'm going to heat it up, line it up. I'll push it in with this piece of hope. Let's try it. I can't. Okay, I'm going to try this. Keep this handy here. Alright, let's heat this up and see if we can get this to work. Very hot. Alright, she's going in there. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 gadget. Well, I don't know. Oh, it does. It did block it from moving. Well, I think that's going to work. I'm going to put the spring back on here. We'll give it a try under spring tension. That spring goes way down there. It connects up here. Crazy. Sometimes I just don't know. Let's bring it on here and try it. So, put this spring on here. Tricky spring to get on here, so it's a different spring hook, I think. I think that's better. See, this piece was all misaligned. It was sitting crooked, and it wasn't. Well, it's still got a little play. See that move? But I think it's better than it was. See, it could be a little Could have held it a little tighter like that. But I think that's not what it came in for. I just noticed it when I was putting it together. I think that's... Let me power it up and run it under power here. See what happens. Oh, it looks good. See, it's not even flexing. It really only flexes when I manually turn it. Alright, I think we got success on this brother here today. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.